Today I've got our brand new redesigned SN95 dual pump fuel hat, which is going to make it a little bit more efficient and overall makes it a much cleaner design. What's going on, Team Lethal fans? It's Joe with Lethal Performance here, and today I've got our brand new redesigned SN95 dual pump fuel hat. Now you may be asking yourself, didn't you guys already have a fuel hat for the 99 to 04 cars? And we did, although we've taken your guys' considerations in to make some changes into it to how to make it better, and we've put it into a brand new product here. Now, just like the old hat, this is designed to be a plug and play kit. What that means is that it's designed to fit into the OEM tank, so you should have no problems on install. On top of that, it's going to be a leak-free design. It's made out of a hard anodized material, so with that being said, you can run E85, 93, or pretty much any fuel of your choice. Now, the big change with these hats here is going to be actually underneath the hat itself. As you can see, we no longer have hoses that are going to connect the pumps to the top of the hat. It's going to be basically a straightforward connection using threads and O-rings instead. Many of you guys were definitely telling us that this is a change that we needed to make, so we went ahead and did it for you. A little later here, I'm going to show you how we connect these pumps to the ports on the top of the hat and give you guys an easy rundown of how it works. Another big change here with the hat is going to be these harnesses here. Now, these harnesses now only work with the F90000 series Walbro pumps. Those set of pumps have proven to be the most popular and reliable for these hats, so we've decided to change the harnesses over for them. Now, as far as the little changes go, we have the return line here that goes into the hat and out the bottom here into the tank. We've actually attached that now to the bracket for the pumps, which is going to make it a little bit more efficient and overall makes it a much cleaner design. And of course, the kit is going to include all the necessary hardware that you need to both assemble the fuel pumps and fuel hat, as well as take off the old stuff out of the car and install it onto the new hat. So now that I've gone over the changes, let me go ahead and get two pumps out here and show you guys the new design and how they install onto the hat. All right, so we're ready to install the pumps here. I've got a couple of these here. These are Walbro's F90000 285, which is going to be their 485 liter per hour pump. Now we can go ahead and start taking the necessary tools and pieces out of the bag that comes with the kit. So as you can see, I've got everything laid out here that I need to install the pumps onto the hat. While it may look like a lot of pieces, not to worry, it goes together pretty easy. The only thing that I needed to take that wasn't part of the kit already was this wrench right here. This is going to be a 13 millimeter. This is going to be used to install these couplings here into those inserts. So now let's go ahead and actually get started here with the process. Let's go ahead and start by flipping the hat over here so we can get a good look at everything under here. The next thing is going to be installing these O-rings here into the little grooves that are inside of the lip of the hat where the pumps are going to go. All right, so now that you can see, those O-rings are in their grooves there. Basically, all those help do is isolate the actual hat from the pumps to make sure they're not vibrating inside here, make for a nice tight and flush fit. Now we can go ahead and move on to one of the pumps here. We're gonna obviously remove this protective cover so that it reveals the barbs there. And then we're gonna take one of our little inserts here and start disassembling it. Next, you wanna go ahead and slide this aluminum over the nipple and then correctly install this little nylon washer here. Now with that correctly seated into there, we can go ahead and install this O-ring here. And now with Loctite number 243, you're going to want to insert this insert here and thread it into the aluminum. Now of course, since I don't have Loctite, and this is only for demonstration purposes, that's how it's going to look there. Now that you've got this all together here, the last thing that you need to do before you slide it into the hat is install this little brown O-ring here onto the aluminum fitting. This is going to need to sit flat there on the aluminum there, as that's going to be your sealing surface against the fuel hat. So now with that on, we can go ahead and install this onto the hat. Now, if you'd like to hear, this connector on the hat here will actually come out and apart so that you can access that nut a whole lot easier. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now just to make our life a lot easier. Press the tabs down and pull right on up, comes right out. You can set that to the side for a minute and go ahead and finish tightening down your pump to the hat. Alright, so now we've got that all tightened down there. You don't have to go crazy tight on that simply because it has that O-ring there, and you're going to let the O-ring do the job of making a very nice and tight seal. Now we can go ahead and move on to the second pump here and show you what this whole assembly looks like together. Alright, so now that we've got the pumps all tightened down, we can go ahead and reinstall this harness here that we took off. It's only going to go on one way, so you know you're not going to mess it up. Clicks into place, and then you can go ahead and click your pumps in now to those harnesses. Bam. Bam. So now that those are all installed there, you can go ahead and take the caps here off the end and install the fuel socks that come supplied with the kit as well. And there you guys have it. This is your fully assembled fuel hat here for your SN95 cars. Of course, the only thing left you have to do now is hook up the fuel level sender and the ground. Otherwise, you are all good to go to install this into your tank. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is the breakdown of the all-new redesigned Division X dual pump fuel hat for the SN95 cars. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or reach out to us at 561-753-8105. Check it out in the link in our description. This has been Joe with Lethal Performance, and I'm out.